In today's video, I am sharing with you some genius Dollar Tree hacks and secrets to really dress up your space this holiday season, plus save you tons of money. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and jump on into it. First up, we are putting together a gorgeous centerpiece. All you have to do is head into the Dollar General, pick up one of these mini wreaths as well as one of these large glass containers. Both are very inexpensive, and you're just going to piece them together. I like to move all of the greenery that is in the middle of this wreath to the outside. It makes it look more full and nothing gets caught underneath the glass piece. This was $5 for the wreath, and then the glass container was around $4, I think, but super simple to piece this together. Just put it inside, add in your favorite smelling candle. I'll share more on this candle a little bit later on in the video, but just pop this down inside and lit this up, and it looks so pretty. So everyone's gonna think you're so crafty and creative, but really only taking a couple of seconds to put this together, and it looks so beautiful. Another favorite find from Dollar General are these wooden trees. So these are so beautiful and easily to be overlooked. I kind of picked these up seeing what they were, and they slide into each other just like this, and I ended up loving them. So all you have to do, they come in 3 different sizes, a large, medium, and small one. So all you have to do is just slide them into the groove on each thing. And then I know we are kind of in this weird spray paint shortage. Let me know if you are having the same empty shelves as I have been having in my stores, but just picked out a kind of darker shade of green that I liked, that I thought went perfect for Christmas, and then spray painted these and put them near my little red truck sign, which I think looks so adorable in rustic farmhouse Christmas. I know that my kids love Disney ornaments or any type of like cartoony ornament on their tree, but they can be so expensive. So a really fun hack that you can decorate your kids' tree and make them super excited for Christmas is to pick up some of Dollar Tree's little $1 like Disney toys. Actually, they have tons of different characters to pick from, so just whatever your child is into. I just tried to find the ones that would fit inside of this little jar. I love these little jar ornaments that hang upside down, and we are going to create like little kids snow globes. So for the smaller characters, I do add them on top of a little wooden block just by hot gluing that down, and then added in some faux snow and made sure that the top would twist back on. But instantly these just take like a minute or less, and you have like gorgeous character ornaments that aren't going to cost like 20 bucks each like you always see out in every store. They usually put out like tons of the different characters at Dollar Tree, so you could collect them all for your kid's favorite movie, but I also think it's fun putting the different characters on the tree. You also can do this with Dollar Tree snow globes. So my daughter is into watching all of the Toy Stories over and over, so she got so excited whenever she saw this. But I removed Buzz from his blue base, and I just left Woody on his little base, and then glued Buzz in front of him so that they both would fit inside of the snow globe. Made sure that it fit before I worked any more on it, added in the little snow, and then screwed that on the bottom. And you can see how fast that you can create these. You could add ribbons, really dress them up. I made this super simple, but think it is adorable. I am in love with this snowflake pattern from the Dollar Tree, and they have out all of the whole collection. I'll be using more of that later on in the video, but for this I wanted to share with you a really quick cake stand, cookie stand. You could use this as a cocoa bar, but I know tons of people make this. I've made quite a few on my channel, but they get overlooked. But if you find a gorgeous dish like this, you don't have to paint it or anything. Just take one of the Dollar Tree glass candle holders. I like to use E6000 and hot glue. Get that on the bottom, and instantly it creates like a riser that is perfect to display your holiday treats or even make like this DIY cocoa bar. You can see here that they raise the prices on any candle that has any decoration on it. So like Simple Barn on like one of those Dollar Tree candles was 13 bucks in store. But you can actually skip the Dollar Tree candles, like upgrade a little bit. I love these Great Value Walmart candles. They have the Easy Pill stickers, so I'm able to decorate these up myself, and you can get the same look for a lot less. So if you want to use the Dollar Tree candles, go for it. But like I say, just trying to upgrade it so they smell a little bit better. But I love to put window clings on there. So for kind of like the same effect, but like in the little red truck, I am using these window clings. They come from Dollar General and they are gorgeous. So it doesn't matter that it is a little bit oversized. I just cut it down to size and I feel like it looks like such a nicer candle. I also done this with like some writing, so once again using more window clings, just stuck this right to the front. If you want this to be a permanent fix, you could Mod Podge over that if you're going to gift it, but this really just dresses it up and gives it a complete makeover. Dollar Tree has out this mini bell garland, which is adorable. I love the little bells on there, and all I did was wrap it around this candle and I give it more of like a 3D look, and I love the effect of it. So just wrapping this around and twisting it in the back. This is the same thing that I used on the centerpiece earlier on in this video, but even a standalone piece, this is so cute, and I love how the bells kind of look rustic with that brown twine. Finding more of that snowflake pattern. I love all of this. I wish I had the full 16-piece set or however many, but I just don't have the space. But this is so gorgeous. But I thought it would be fun to melt some candles down. I just do this by adding water into a large pot, putting this on like medium heat, making sure all of my labels and plastic is off the candles, and just melting these down. After they get melted down, you can pour them in any container that you want. I love the little drinking glasses, the mugs, the bowls, anything like that. The bowl took a couple of candles, so just melting down whatever color that you like. I did the white for the snowflake. I just feel like it looks so wintry. I'll be able to leave these out the entire month of January and just really get to enjoy them, and after they set up, they just look so beautiful with that white background. All you have to do is kind of fish out the wicks, set them down in the new container that you're going for. I like to use just like a pen or a popsicle stick and kind of hold them in place, and then pour the candle wax in. For the bowl, I feel like it would have been prettier if you would have had the third wick. That's just usually how candles come, like larger candles. But for this, for video purposes, I didn't want to have to waste another candle. I just stuck the 2 wicks in there, but it actually turned out really pretty, and I love how this looks lit up. So this is what they all three look like together, but so fun to add to tiered trays or any type of like dining room area. If you don't want to melt these candles down and decorate them up as is, I love what they look like, just adding some ribbon and pine cones around them. Another really fun idea is to turn these into like some little snowmen. So this is a perfect craft idea if you're getting together with some girlfriends or maybe family. This is something even the little kids can get in on. All you have to do is cut a piece of fabric, wrap that around, give it a little face with a paint marker. I used orange paint for the nose, and instantly these look so adorable as little snowmen. You could really personalize these. You could cut out with your Cricut at the bottom the names of your family, but really cute, and these would also make like a great gift. Another really fun idea to make a melted candle in are these little metal buckets, but I chose to use the colorful candles. So the only thing about this is they don't have as much of a seal as a solid piece of glass, so you have to kind of be patient with them, protect your work area that you're working with. Mine ended up just going ahead and sealing itself, so it didn't leak out a ton. You can just see as it kind of hardened, some did seep out the bottom. So all I did was using something wood and soft like a popsicle stick, nothing metal, so I didn't want to scratch the paint. I just kind of rubbed it off the bottom, used a washcloth to get the excess off. I made sure I cut the wick down, and you could gift this. You wouldn't even have to burn it. You could just use this on display, but I also think it is really cute lit up, and this would be a really fun teacher's gift. Another really fun idea for Christmas is to pick up some of these little mini photo frames on a stand, and I ended up just popping mine off of the stand. They did have a couple of staples, so just remove those with some wire cutters or pliers, and then these will make like the perfect ornaments. So I have made these a while back, so I'll share the ones I made last year after I share these. But this year I actually found a heart photo frame, so I thought that would be perfect for Christmas. Also a really great gift idea. I ended up painting the heart red for Christmas and then painted the circle white. And then you can pick out any ribbon that you want. I had this white and red checkered ribbon, so just tying that in the middle with a piece of jute twine to glue that to the top. I'll be adding some wood beads on a piece of jute twine as well and glue that to the top. And then I'm just going to be inserting back in the original little pictures because I might gift these, but you could put your family photos in there. You could put a piece of white cardstock and write your family's name. Really dress this up, or you could even add this as a gift tag and put to and from in that circle. That would be really cute. But I liked how I was able to coordinate the beads to the project. I had some little white and red beads left over from a project I had done in the last video, but just making these kind of coordinate together but not looking exactly the same. I think these turned out so cute. This is what last year's looked like. I actually personalized them just with some Dollar Tree stickers or Walmart stickers, but this is what they look like this year. I just kind of went more plain, but super cute, and like I say, another fun gift idea. I hope you all enjoyed crafting along with me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed. I'll have some more Christmas content coming soon, but loved all of these fun, easy projects that are really going to dress up your home this Christmas season and make any space just feel super special.